Welcome to my kitchen. Let's make chicken gravy in our kitchen. Let's make it. First take a pot and add oil in it, and when the oil is hot, add finely chopped onion. Brown the onion well. When it turns brown, add some garlic. Add garlic ginger paste. And then add chicken to it, and add chopped green chilies to it and cook it well. When it gets lightly fried, add salt, turmeric and red chilies. And add a little yogurt to it and cook it well. And then add the hot spices that include dry coriander, cumin and curry leaves to coat it. Finally add chopped green coriander and enjoy.